Hey, how you guys doing today? Jeff here. So yesterday, my aunt and I went to the Weigh and Pay, and we ended up picking up this cabinet here for $2. I'm gonna see if I can do the stuff to it to make it pretty. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just gonna cut the music on and get to work. This is the final part for the $2 drawer paint up, clean up that my aunt and I got at the Weigh and Pay. I was just going to show you guys a little bit of the imperfections and stuff that still need to be fixed on it and stuff. But it's just finished for right now. I'm just going to show you for what I did today. I'm going to fix it up, re-sandpaper it, re-get it, and then I'm going to wet sand it down, make it look pretty. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll show you guys that when I do it. So here we go. It's not perfect, but you know, for the first time doing something like this, I definitely enjoyed it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I am Jeff. You guys have a good day. See you.